Ghana for a year, one of the most biggest and one of the most richest NDC groups are our memoha was papa. On the former managing director at the Tema Oil Refinery. On no aqua channel ewo UK abrochimem. Now she na papa we apopopa yasem ketwa. Ghana ha membo nipa kudi minister bi editu dra sent Ghana ha no. Their ministers afen so no ma ben o ma kwabrem ewa the swim ntino they are above the laws of Ghana. The siane de which Mr. Ghana mra echo mom to me afa hodwane. And afen so country am minister bi a Ghana mra ache na wakoda mfiase da me hu bi da. So Ghana for UK in sa akana enya sem ketwa concerning paying major bribes at the Ghanaian politicians say no secure a Turkish to Ghana deal. Some ketwa no kwa na fe no power plant deal bia or share so or no sa ko corruption e wo ho. Na asem no mguso amoka wo UK court na msanso transfer no e de ne ba United States of America court o mama na 6 counting charges. Ghana for no what chene papa asapa we de ifiasia no kwakoda o sentinu tumi endwane betumi dwane Ghana e law court de abrochi de omsa asomu wakodem Ghana for ensemble na ekoniku tie asem we twemu bramda mu ina as
energy deal with a Turkish company Ghana. Na Emra ena officially US are buying atabri branta ya friend Asante Kwaku Beku edina free UK edina by US to face 6 charges of bribery and corruption in Ghanaian power plant deal. Now, the power plant deal ayeka ho asemi eye AXA Energy. AXA Energy. Between the period of 2014 and 2016, Ghana for bekaya na energy crisis ijinamu yepa ya na ye freno dumso. Na the NDC's government sabreno ya na power minister Dr. Kwabena Donko. The president then John Dramani Mahama catch Ghana for say omo de nneoma egu akwan mu to solve dumso. And it is within that same period and almost sign power purchasing agreement deals ya na ye take or pay ya power nibi wo hono mu a ye be ye de ma Ghana enyusu ba ni etua hoka. Now one of those deals AXA Energy deal from Turkey ya ebesine according to the World Bank and the IMF report on the buy Ghana tua close to $1.2 million on these power purchasing agreement. Some of these energy part Ghana news mumu baako and na US are buying a day over 6 years ayen hwemu hu say ye ketase shene chronodia koso ansa na Ghana buying accept say Turkish company AXA build the power plant na and supply electricity for the good people of Ghana according to that power plant contract PPA contract the most expensive energy usage ever in this African sub-region. Na yes our contract we US aban we more than they say nipa odi enimu ebroker this deal Asante Kwaku Beku ketahye no krono nko a and o lazy with the government of Ghana then a boy. Now interestingly a pajan and a udwane ko share UK and a US are buying a contact UK buying say every single corrupt act, every single bribe that was paid to these Ghanaian officials to ensure that this Turkish company got the deal to build the power plant. Each and every transaction was done from banks in the United States. Enti muntu be nya branch and kenten so UK enka say what muntu try there be every single one of the transactions that was done involving even money laundering was done in the US. US banks and what they all these transactions enunti mumma kwan na yam famra enunti ema UK Crown Court etrance rule say and nioma ni bi wo ha ye de charges ni bi wo ha ye de abo Asante Beku a wo de ba UK mamu dia it doesn't constitute money laundering but what they call United States emramu as according to the Security and Exchange Commission in the USDR, it constitutes money laundering, bribery, and corruption. Enunti, wamakwan say yemfa Asante Beko, ye extradited from the United Kingdom to the United States to fix 6 counts of money laundering and a bribery and corruption. The ENRA and a US Interpol ekopeke ye Asante Beko edin free UK edin akwa drew US for him to face those charges. Ahemanachi, he was sent to a court in the United States to face these charges. Ya nipa na otutu na no US State Attorney Brian Peace. Na the FBI, a section for International Corruption Unit, they were present at the court. And the Eastern District Court of New York. The Eastern District Court of New York. Ena ahomanachi yede Asante Beko ekoko jinaya office these charges. Now, I have a press release from the court with all the charges and the kwanya Asante Beko so skimming the way through all these things. We be breaking it down. Bako. Sika wotuetuan as bribes. 1. Edema Ghana government officials are no more the power ministry. 2. Members of parliament representing the majority, yani NDC members of parliament. 3. Top ranking government officials. And after 4. A party executives of the NDC. It be a $2,000. It be a $20,000. It be a $4,000. It be a $15,000. Each and every transaction made is captured in this press release. Metro me boase. Nama bubu kronono mu bubujen. Ama hunu. Kwanya Asante Beko. Ya oye former tall MD. Efa so at the company your friend the Goldman Sachs Groups Incorporated. The London subsidiary. And in the position to me secure this lucrative power plant development deal in Ghana through enormous bribery. So just stay tuned. Na yenshe asye. The press release. Almost a former banker charged with bribing Ghanaian officials extradited to the United States from the United Kingdom. Defendant, a joint US Ghanaian citizen, charged with FCPA violations and money laundering related to the development of a power plant in Ghana. Asante Beko is a dual citizen of the United States and Ghana and has been arraigned in federal court in Brooklyn before Magistrate Judge Lois Bloom on an indictment charging him with violations of the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act and money laundering for bribing Ghanaian government officials to secure a power plant deal and laundering the payment through US financial system. Yesterday, Beko was extradited to the Eastern District of New York from the United Kingdom, where he was arrested on November 3rd, 2022, pursuant to an Interpol diffusion notice. Tidiamakin kan nyina no e bone tofa omo kire se wodu ani kire mu e wa America brochima mu a ye wo ade a ye frɛ no Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. Asante Beko dwumadi a wodie mra oboa ama Ghana ensa aka